You're building them tall, huh? You gonna knock them down? Ooh, a big one on some little ones. Knock them down, knock them down. You gonna make them really tall first? Whoa! That's so funny when you knock them down. Oh, it's really hilarious, huh? No, don't throw them. Put them in the box. Throw them in the box. Baby. Go pick them up. That's very nice. Good job. Say bye. Say bye.